show that the cube root of 8,000 is 20. Solution. Now, we have this is what we have to show. Cube root of 8,000 to be equals to 20. That is a mathematical representation. Now we are going to solve from the left to get the right. So from the left, so we write left hand side, that is LHX, which means left hand side. That's cube root of what? 8,000. Now we are going to break 8,000. We have 8,000. Let's break this. Now, this is same thing as what? This is same thing as, or we can just say, since this is 8,000, which is 8 times 1,000, that will be very easy to break. 8 times 1,000. This can be written as 8 times 1,000, but nevertheless, we can move like this. So 2 dividing by 2, what do we have? We have 4,000. Then dividing by 2, what do we have? We have 2,000. Dividing by 2, what do we have? We have 1,000. Then if we divide by 2, we can divide by 2 further. What do we have? We have 2. Dividing by 2 further, what do we have? We have 500 divided by 2. So dividing by 2 further, what do we have? We have 250. So dividing by 2 further, what do we have? We have this to be 125. So we have 125. We can use 2 again. So what number can we use? We can use 5. So we have this to be 25. Then dividing by 5, what do we have? We have 5. Then we need to use 5. Also, we have 1. So this is what we are having here. We have this. So since we are having this, and I said we are going to consider grouping in terms of a group of 3s, same numbers. So the first 3 numbers, we have 2 raised to the power of 3. So this can be written as cube root of what? 2 raised to the power of 3 times the next set, 2 raised to the power of 3, then times what? The last set, that is what? 5 raised to the power of 3. Now, what do we have from here? Looking at, considering each number, each initial expression, because this is an initial expression, this is an initial expression, this is an initial expression. And the power here is 3. And we are dealing with cube root. So what happened? It means that the base here is the answer here for the first one, 2. Times the base here, the power here is 3, and we are dealing with cube. What do you have here? If the number here, which is the power, is same thing as what you have here, the base is the answer. Times, look at, the same thing, the power is 3, the base is 5. And we are dealing with cube root, so we have 5 as the answer. So it means that 2 times 2, what do we have? That is 4. 4 times 5, that's what? 20. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.